Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can upload your Unity game to simmer.io for free as a WebGL game. Let's get right into it. So firstly, if you haven't already built your game, in Unity you can go up to File, then go to Build Settings. Then for the platform you need to click on WebGL and then hit Switch Platform. And once you do that, make sure you have the settings to be whatever you want and then click on Build. This could take a few minutes to many minutes, depending on how big your game is. Once you've built your Unity game, go to simmer.io. There will be a link in the description below for you to click. Then click on Sign In/Sign Up, and then click on Sign In with Google or Sign In with Email. We'll sign in with Google. So we're going to select our Google account, and we'll click on Continue. Next you need to create a username. I'll call this YouTube Tutorial 5. And then remove the L, and bam, we now have a username. And also agree to the terms of service, and then click Submit. After that, you can then scroll down and go to My Uploads and click on Upload. Now you'll need to open your Windows File Explorer. I've got a folder here of a bunch of builds. So basically, what you want to do is you want to drag and drop a folder that contains your WebGL build. So in my folder called Itch Tutorial, I have a build folder, a streaming assets folder, template data, and index.html. So I go to the folder above it, and then I want to drag and drop this Itch Tutorial folder into here. You don't zip it up, you just drag and drop the folder by itself. And in that folder, you will have those 4 things I showed before. You may not have a streaming assets folder though. If you don't have it, that doesn't matter. You don't need it. And as you can see, they recently added streaming assets. And your upload time will depend on how big your game is. Mine's a pretty short game, so it didn't take very long. And it'll probably take about 20 seconds to process. Oh, mine took even quicker. And as you can see, it's working. So my Unity game is literally playing the video in WebGL with like a little progress bar. And we're going to scroll down, we need to give it a name. We'll call it YouTube Test. And this will be the automatic URL. If you want to make your game unlisted or private, it needs to be below 10 megabytes, or you can change your plan and pay a bit, and then have a private URL with a bigger file size. And right here it tells you how big your game is. And if you think your game's awesome and want other people to see, you can toggle this game for the front page to be considered. You can toggle consider this game for the front page. I'm not going to do that. And then you click on Save Upload. And you now have a Unity WebGL game with a custom URL that you can share with people to play. So, yeah. Also, if you want to delete your project, you can scroll down to the bottom and click on Delete Game. I am going to do that. So I'm going to delete the game permanently so you can't play it. So, thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like in the comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.